going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Halloween stack of pumpkins, all right? It's going to be simple, easy, really for beginners, so even if you don't know how to draw, you're going to know how to draw this, so let's go over this, all right? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curve right here, almost like the letter C. Right there, right? Really simple stuff, okay? And now on the other side, we're going to think of it like a parentheses sign, right? If you've ever done that, maybe another. So basically the same shape backwards. And stretch it across. All right, now over here on this side, I'm going to go curve over here. And over here, curve over here. And I'm going to straighten it out. Now I'm going to go over here on this side, another one. So another curve over here. Same thing, the same parenthesis sign, but it's getting bigger as it goes downward to kind of create that stack. And the cool part is it doesn't really matter. You can make them all the same size. You can that can totally be a thing. You could make them bigger as it goes down, like a snowman, the way I'm doing. But feel free to do what you want to do, right? Because when you draw something in general, right, it's really for you. And it's for the audience, I guess, as well. But for people that look at it. But it's really, just kind of your own sense of enjoyment. So right there, I just kind of did a wobbly line. And over here, I'll do another wobbly line right there. Okay. We're going to go to the top over here. We're going to draw a curved line over here for the stem. Zigzag over here, pulling in. Line up, line up, line up, line up. All right. Look around this area, and we're going to draw the faces on these guys now, okay? So that's probably the easiest and simplest part, in my opinion. Triangle, triangle, curve, curve, fill it out, right there, fill it out. Triangle over here, curve, fill it out. Zigzag right there. And then what we're gonna do with the zigzag is we're gonna try to just make it thicker. That's all. Like make that line thicker, and it'll represent like an open, kind of openish mouth. That's all I gotta do. Don't forget to say what's up or happy Halloween in the comment section. I respond to every single comment, and I mean it. Try me, by the way. Try going back to an old video. Go back to an old video and say something, and I'll reply to it. Anything, even an old video. Try it. I dare you. Let's go over here now. Middle face, up, down. Same thing, triangle, up, down, curve, line over here. Right on. Triangle here, curve. Zigzag right there. Zigzag over here. Just got, again, same thing. We're kind of thickening out that zigzag line. We're almost done, by the way, so we got some finishing touches after these faces. Okay. And let's go down to the biggest one. You can make this one, I don't know, a little bit different. Maybe I can throw the triangles a little bit closer together, which can make the face more like kind of this bigger feel to the face. There we go. Cool, cool, cool. Triangle right here, the center. Fill it out. Whew. Excuse me, a little bit tired. And then now I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here for the zigzag right there of the mouth. And we're going to continue the exact same thing. We're going to make this line a little bit thicker. Right on. Okay, let's go to the top. And now we're going to do a little line right here. Line right there. So it's kind of like a broken line all the way down. We're doing the striations of the pumpkin itself, right? So line over here. Line down over here. Line over here. There we go. It's kind of wrapping around, the pumpkin itself. So let's continue down here with this guy. And like I said, as far as like the dots, like dot line, that's kind of up to you. Like even if I did it again, I would kind of change up how I was doing that. Right? Like it's kind of like random, in other words, I'm saying, these lines are just thinner. All I'm thinking about is they're thinner than, as thin as I can. And they're going to be broken up. Right? Thinner and broken up. That's the main thing. Right on. And that's pretty much it. You got yourself a stack of pumpkins for Halloween. I want to thank you for following along this much. Check out the cool stuff in the description. There's a free cute drawing ebook that goes over all the steps of drawing something cute. It is 100% free, and it is a perfect guide to drawing anything cute. We're talking about like proportions because cute basically uses the same formula every time. So go check that out. It's the first link in the description. And there's a whole lot of other stuff, free stuff as well. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. I want you to stay here right now. Let's do another video together, okay? Stay here. Let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.